Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new orders from Ecwid to the eSputnik mailing service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, through the eSputnik service, you can send SMS messages to your users, as well as interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose eSputnik as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send SMS. At this stage, you need to connect your eSputnik account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your eSputnik personal account. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to compose an SMS message that will be sent through the eSputnik service for each new order from Ecwid. First, you need to select Sender. You need to pre-register it in your eSputnik account. In the recipient field, select a variable from Ecwid that contains the buyer's phone number. In the message field, you can compose a message by writing the text manually, as well as using variables from the drop-down list. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to customers in the form of an SMS message through the eSputnik service. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to eSputnik. After successful sending, go to eSputnik and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the setup of eSputnik data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.